Hey, what's that, Sat? This is the letter U, and it makes the sound. Let's get learning.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Luke and welcome to Learning with Luke. I've just been using this umbrella to keep me dry. Now, how do we close it?
Oh, hi there! Oops, sorry. I hope you can still hear me with that umbrella over your head. Today, we're learning a new sound. This is the letter U, and it makes the sound.
The sound?
To make the sound, you need to open your mouth wide to make this quiet sound. Listen to Mr. Luke and see if you can make the sound. Now you know how to say
Wait, but how do we write the letter that makes the sound?
To write your letter U, start here. Bring your pen down, round, up, down again and flick. Let's have another go. And there's your letter U.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the sound, Mrs. Luke. Now it's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 things. Then you and everyone at home have to find all the things that begin with the sound.
Okay everyone, you know I'm going to need your help for this challenge. So let's find all those things that begin with Let's go!
Let's see which things Sat has for us today. We have an umpire, a monkey, a bird, some underwear, and an umbrella. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with Good luck! Let's see which things begin with umpire, underwear, umbrella. Yes, we found everything beginning with uplifting. Wow! You passed my challenge! Now it's time for our reading challenge using the sounds we have learnt so far on our phonics journey. I'm going to show you a word and you have to sound out the word and read it. I know you and everyone at home can do it. Remember to look out for those sound buttons to help you with the timing of the sounds. Here's a little clue. The sound might not be at the beginning of these words. Can you see where they are? Good luck everyone!
And here's our first word. Let's sound out this word that has the sound in it. Remember to use those sound buttons to help us. And remember, let's sound out the word and blend those sounds together to make the word. Are you ready? K, p. K, p. I've got it! It says cup! Sat! It says cup! And the sound was in the middle of the word.
Yes! Well done, Mr. Luke and everyone at home for blending those sounds together and reading the word. You also found a sound in the middle of the word. Here's another one that has the sound, but this is a 4-letter word and it also has a digraph, so watch out for it.
And here's our second word. This word has a digraph in it. So remember to say 1 sound instead of 2 for the digraph. Are you ready? k. D, k. It says duck! Sat! It says duck!
Yeah! Well done, everyone. You sounded out and read those words really easily. You all are phonics superstars. But I've got to go now too. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye, Mr. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sat! Wow, thank you, Sat, for teaching us all about the sound. And I've got to go now too, so I'll see you next time. So let's recap what we've learnt today with Mrs. Luqui. Bye, everyone!
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter U and it makes the sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the sound in these words. Upset. Under. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we know. S, n, sun. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the sound. Understand?